So guys, nakauwi na po tayo at ito ang napamili ni David. A donut.
The marketing techniques work.
Yeah.
Beer right next to the door.
Beer, 1 pound each. Tapos, ano pa yung ano? What is this? The pork pie. Milk fish for tonight.
It's not milk fish.
Milk and fish. And lick. Magagawa tayo ng lick potato soup lick.
The tap was leaking. The tap's got a leak.
Yung ating pronunciation.
In fact, I'll take a photograph of that and send it.
And then, this is enough. Broccoli. And then, this one is kitchen paper and then toilet paper. That's it. Worth 16 pounds and 7 pence. Ayan, si David nag-aano siya. Ano kayo ginagawa na David? So, there you go. Yun ang ating, sayang-sayang lang. Hindi naman sayang kasi nag-grocery din, naglakad din kami doon. So, wala palang too good to go. Wala daw walang stock. Ganun pala yun. Akala ko, mayroon always available. So, yan, palabasin natin tong isa kasi ang kulit. Super kulit ni Peanut. Yan, para may fresh air. Kasi hindi naman gaanong malamig. Magsasampay muna ako ng mga nilabahan ko para matuyo. Ilasampay natin sa labas. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye for now.